The only thing we're gonna do with any profits that we make as a religion is gonna be to give mac and cheese to kids that don't have it. And
probably smoke a little bit of weed.
Smoke a little bit of weed.
Got it in a paper bag.
Seeing other dudes, hey, I got the last coffee cake.
Free yummy cheese.
This kid sucks. Oh man, this kid sucks so bad. Said I'm back.
Back in the saddle again.
Say I'm back. I'm back. Oh.
Bum, 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 bum. Wednesday. Fuck.
We're back.
In the saddle again.
That's my song. I've been singing it all day. Now you want to sing it the second we get on camera?
Well, you started singing it a second ago, so I got it in my head.
That's not gonna make it into the cut.
All right, how about this? It's episode 1, season 2. This is the season premiere of Mac and Cheese, season 2, episode 1. Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
You should use the full title because we're on YouTube. So people that find us on YouTube are gonna be like, Mac and Cheese what?
Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
This is gonna be the first episode on YouTube. You gotta think about that. This is formal intro, bro.
Okay, so this
formal
is
intro. Act like this is the first episode ever.
How you doing, guys? This is seems like a lot of pressure now. Season 2. This is season 2 of Mac and Cheese Wednesday, episode 1 of season 2.
Welcome. If you don't know what our show is about, yeah, all right.
Macaroni.
Yeah, macaroni and cheese. Every week we rate a different kind of mac and cheese. The Mac game is flourishing. Mac is on the come up.
Like it's got Yoda.
Wait, Yoda's looking at us though.
Yoda's on the back too. See?
Oh man, they're both equally as creepy. I don't like either of them.
Nah, come on, man.
Nah, you can see him. I can see the directions.
That's cool. Yoda's the man. Yeah.
I don't know. He's fucking scaring me, bro. Like I feel like this guy would scare me too. Yeah, I'm cool.
Come on, man. That's a cool dude.
He's cool for the camera, but for me, I'm not with it. I don't like when people look at me.
I don't like when people look at me. I don't like when people talk to me. I don't like when people breathe when I'm like within 10 feet of them.
I've been meaning to talk to you about that.
Why are you still alive, man?
Why you
You've
still
been
alive,
sitting next
bro?
to me for a long time,
Yeah,
pal.
bro. We've been hanging out like at least 10 feet.
You should be dead. All right,
so we're back, and if you haven't noticed, we're on YouTube. We try to accommodate for some people that don't have Facebook, don't like Facebook. So yeah, we're on YouTube now, and we hope all our Facebook viewers stay loyal.
Stay loyal.
I hope you all stay loyal. Which Game of Thrones guy should you hook up with based on your zodiac sign? You want to look at that?
I'm gonna tell you right now, it's Ned Stark.
You think it's Ned Stark? All right, we're gonna find out. Cross fingers that it's Khal Drogo. Pick your sign. What are you?
I'm an Aries.
Oh.
Oberyn Martell? Nah, I don't like the accent. He can fuck off.
For real?
Girl.
I'm curious.
You're curious now?
I'm curious.
Damn! That's mad funny, yo.
I'm heated, yo. Well, at least I got Theon. I didn't get fucking what's his name now.
Oh, you still got Reek.
No, it's not Reek. Dog's my boy Theon. He was a man before everything went down with Ramsay.
Reek. That's Reek.
That's Theon Greyjoy. They would have said Reek. Your attitude reeks, bro. I'm not dealing with you today like that. All right, whatever. You know I'm just pissed off because I didn't even get fucking Jamie.
Lannister? That's your dude?
9 couple costumes that would make you glad you're single.
I totally sanctioned this one.
Really on the plug. Really on the plug.
Really on the plug. Really on the plug.
Hey man, what better way to turn your girl on? Add a little spark in your relationship, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you're good with the puns, dude.
Oh, I'm great with the puns. Sometimes you need that little electricity to get things going.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need an outlet to get all your feelings out.
Jesus Christ. Pair of tits.
Yeah,
that's perfect.
That's probably the best.
That's awesome.
That's the best one yet. It's 2 guys.
So that's 2 guys.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. Took me by surprise a little bit. I don't know.
I'm just confused why he's a vagina, to be honest.
Imagine if you didn't know what it was. And you were like, I'm a pair of lips, dude.
I'm a cut open hot dog.
Yo, I love Rolling Stones, man.
Alright, 17 Aussie sentences that confuse the fuck out of everybody else. Fuck's sakes, we're at a goon.
I crab rangoons. I got a pash rash from a drop kick, and I could tell he wanted a whistle. That little larrikin was hiding under the doona.
I think it's when you bring a girl home, because I got a picture of bed once again. Juna is a dress, and the larkin is a dick.
That little dick was hiding under the dress.
Yeah, so when he brought her home, that's why
Found out it was a Jenna.
That's why the bed's empty.
Episode 1, the Phantom Jenna. That's all I can think about now.
Chick with a dick.
Chick with a dick. 100% chucking a sickie on Freedy.
So I know you're laughing at me because we haven't been able to pay the rent, but my man is about to flip a pack for Ohana on Friday, and we about to chuck a sickie. You know what I'm saying? We finna get that money, and we gonna be laughing at you, bitch, because your hat's stupid, and I'm gonna have the dope Chanel hat once he flips his Ricky or chucks a sickie. My bad.
I was thinking it meant 100% fucking a chickie on Friday.
Oh, like I'm definitely getting some pussy on Friday, like, without a doubt.
I think that's what it is gonna mean. Better. I even like that better. Taking a day out of work.
Chucking a sickie.
Sometimes that is better than that.
Taking a day of work is better than having sex.
Sometimes depends on how the day is.
Fair enough.
Fallout just came out.
No walking furries. This guy wearing pants on.
I don't like this guy. I just want to get past this guy. I don't even believe he's Australian. I don't think there's any explanation to that.
Right, so
you're a sick cunt.
Alright, so this one, you're an excellent human.
Oh, like, you're a sick motherfucker. You're a sick dude.
Should we go to Facebook? The difference between Joshua's drumsticks and Six Diamond Eyes. There's not much difference, because ladies, they'll both beat it up, if you know what I'm saying.
Okay.
See them at shows often.
We'll see him in shows, but the difference, not similarities.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I gotta seek out the similarities so I can realize what they haven't. They have. Hey, come on, man.
What the difference is? I think the main difference between the two is that one is a human being.
Yeah, one has a tax ID.
One of them's got a heart and a brain. There's 2 drumsticks. One person, 2 drumsticks. So there's a lot of differences right there. Mm-hmm. You got the actual number of things,
which is huge.
Which is a 100% increase in the drumstick department. From 1 human to 2 drumsticks, 100% increase.
The makeup of matter between the 3 individuals, because 2 of them are wood. This woman has made sourdough bread using the yeast from her vagina.
I don't even want to talk about that one.
You don't want to talk about that one?
That's pretty disgusting.
Is that? No, it's possible.
It's possible.
That's a lot of yeast. You should have been worried about that. How much?
That was so. It's like,
how much bread did you make? I would say at least like a couple grams of yeast.
I came in. It's like I came in.
And another question. And another question.
Why are you torturing me? Can you
and
just get the cake off of the screen though?
Listen.
It's gross.
Oh, it has a picture.
Yeah,
I didn't know there was a
picture. Come on, man. You knew there was a picture.
That's a good size bread. That's just a piece.
Is that the girl too?
Let's zoom in on her.
No. Oh,
there we go. Oh, man.
You know what's really gross about it? All the air pockets mean that it was like a really healthy yeast.
It was probably amazing bread. And it's funny that it's sourdough. What classifies it as sourdough? Because I feel like it would be a little sour, to be honest.
Dude, I'm so done with this, dude. I've been trying to get you off of this for like 5 minutes,
but I am very intrigued.
Oh, I'm so not.
And she ate it.
It's cannibalism.
On a serious note, get that yeast infection checked out, because that's a lot of yeast. Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. Do we have to look that up? Alright, so she can wear a strainer on her head and a lace photo. Why?
Because it's religious wear.
So what classifies it as a religion? Can we make mac and cheese a religion?
Google's up. Google.
Can we make mac and cheese a fucking religion?
Can we make mac and cheese a religion? Can we make mac and cheese
a religion?
A religion. In a world where macaroni and cheese is a religion. A distinct legal existence.
Boom.
Bang. A recognized creed and form of worship.
Bang.
A definite and distinct ecclesiastical government.
What does that mean?
That means like I'll be the Pope and you'll be the junior Pope.
Word.
A formal code of doctrine and discipline. Alright, don't touch little kids. That's number one in this religion. None of that shit.
Don't touch little kids.
Alright, that's other religion shit. You go somewhere else.
Yeah. An organization of ordained ministers.
Already. Ecclesiastical government. I'm pretty sure that's what that meant. I might have been wrong on the other.
A literature of its own. Dude, I'll write a book on mac and cheese. There probably is a book about mac and cheese. If you know about a book about mac and cheese, hit me up. Let's talk business. Not business because it's a religion, but you know, business. Because every religion is a business.
This is going to be not that way.
The only thing we're going to do with any profits that we make as a religion is going to be to give mac and cheese to kids that don't have it. And
probably smoke a little bit of weed.
Smoke a little bit of weed. Established place of worship.
Studio.
You guys want to come through?
Nah. You need to have a Sunday school for religious instruction of the young in order to be considered a religion?
They have that for the meatball guy?
That's so funny, dude. Sunday schools for religious instruction of the young.
Alright, yeah. Alright, so listen. Any of our viewers that are parents, and I know there's a lot of you, and we love you, we're gonna fucking...
Nah, man, I don't like where this is going. See, dude, it seems like you need a lot of fucking money to be a religion.
That's it.
Okay. If that's it, then we can do this. I mean, a Sunday school for children is not undoable.
So if you guys want mac and cheese to be a religion, let us know.
Wow, that was a long fucking trail. I forgot that was...
Thanks for that, Haley.
Thank you for that, Haley. Whatever it is, it sounds like an 80s song, like synth.
Oh, shit. I tried to get you. Wish you were a girl. It would be so much easier.
Wish I was a girl? That's kind of a weird thing to say, dude. It's kind of a weird thing to say.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Excuses that will work so that you could like leave because you have diarrhea. For example, my jiu-jitsu class is right now. Oh yeah, alright.
I thought he was saying that he's at a jiu-jitsu class as he's typing that and he has to do diarrhea and he's like, how do I get out of this?
Oh. Looking at it the other way, for me, it's still pretty intriguing. If you had diarrhea in a really important situation.
Oh, I got jiu-jitsu!
I gotta go to jiu-jitsu class right now! This is running longer than I thought it was gonna. I gotta go! I hope that...
2 for 12 at Subway, I'm out!
Thank you for the opportunity! I gotta go! My jiu-jitsu class is right now!
If you're still at the jiu-jitsu class, Meta, I am so sorry, but one of these excuses will work. You put mustard in your mac and cheese.
Nope.
Nah.
Nope.
I know.
Do you put mustard in your mac and cheese?
Yeah, he probably does. I mean, why wouldn't he? I'll tell you
because that's a weird, random question if he doesn't. Do you put mustard in your mac and cheese? Nah, do you? Nah. Why would you ask me that?
At that point, I would think that he was trying to label you as somebody like, yo, somebody killed my uncle 3 years ago and he loved mustard in his mac and cheese.
Only trait I remember.
Or he's like an undercover cop waiting to find the one perp. And he's like, you like mustard and mac and cheese? Oh yeah, I love that shit, been eating it my whole life.
My whole life.
My whole life.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground, scumbag. I've been looking for you for years.
In a world, put mustard in your mac and cheese.
Well, you can't really go wrong
with
that.
Sriracha.
There's nothing that you can put in mac and cheese that's gonna make it disgusting for the most part.
Yeah, it probably is.
There's a couple. If you really want to get technical, like cigarette butts would be disgusting.
Well, yeah, but I mean, food-wise, it's even like completely edible. Food-wise, there's probably some gross things you could put in it.
Like what?
Like probably like strawberry. It's like strawberry syrup.
I would no.
No.
You wouldn't even have to pay me to eat that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, there's nothing like.
Well, of course you wouldn't have to pay you to eat it. There's nothing gross. There's nothing like gross about it. It's not like I was like. It's not like I was like moose balls. Like, you know what I mean?
But like I'm saying, a food that's edible that you eat all the time.
That I would eat normally.
That you would put the mac and cheese to make it gross.
Mac and cheese to make it gross.
I'll wait.
Like, to make it, like, I mean,
make
if you
it
put,
on
like, gummy worms in it and something, it's like, nah, you wouldn't do that normally, but is it gross? I don't think it's necessarily gross.
I would still eat that. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, it's not gross. It's like, oh, this doesn't taste great together, but it's not like, I don't know, man. You know what I could think of?
What?
That would probably make it gross?
What?
Mayonnaise.
Nah, I fuck with that. I'm waiting, dude. That will make that shit so smooth and silky,
So
yo.
smooth and silky. That Miracle Whip.
Oh, yo, can we do that? Do you
No,
have any?
there's
Oh.
no way I'm doing that.
See, yo, there's no problem with that. You put anything in there, I'm with it.
I mean, I just thought of a cop-out one. Fucking anchovies, but, like, I wouldn't eat anchovies.
Yeah,
normally,
alright,
so that's
fair.
not fair.
Yeah, nah.
It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm not gonna say it. I pull that one back. That's not fair.
But that's a food. So I mean, that's the one.
Yeah,
loophole.
but I mean, I wouldn't.
That's gross to me though.
Yeah.
That's how I feel about the yeast bread. I'm like, Andrew.
Oh yeah, yeast bread.
Nah, I'd eat it.
Yo, no.
I'd eat it.
That's nasty, dude.
I don't give a fuck,
Yeast
dog.
bread, yo, yeast bread. All right, move on. Let's go. Yo, did you put yeast bread in your mac and cheese? Nah,
Not
you.
Nah.
That's awesome.
Talk about how you never pick any of my topics you do, burgers. I'm
We'll
sorry.
pick every
Chris.
one of your topics, man. I got 9 likes. You know, those 9 haters, man.
You know what? We're gonna have Rips on the show. We should have him on the show next week.
I don't want Rips to know where I live. He might come in and kill me one day.
I don't think he'll kill you.
No?
The worst he would do is like put his butthole on your face while you sleep.
See, that's another thing. Like, I'd rather die than have Rips his butthole on my face.
That's the kind of
dude.
friend he is, bro.
I feel like that's the stain that would never go away.
Are these shaped like Star Wars?
Yeah. I got them because they were shaped like Star Wars.
11 minutes and 30 seconds on the timer.
Mac and cheese.
Yeah. Here we go. Yes.
I think they definitely sacrifice quality of the actual noodle
Yeah.
to make the shapes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, they do every time.
It's not as good when they're the shapes.
I'm still a Spiral Sky to the day I die.
Awkward, like watch your dad dance. Funky, like wearing plaid pants. And I don't even give a shit. Simon Marshall come off the dome. Yo, I hit you at your home. Yo, I feel like a hippie. Cause I ain't washed in a while since at least 1960. Fuck that shit, I be coming through stinky. I don't even care, you can sniff my pinky. Yo, it's the MC with the gut. The guy who plays Tomb Raider just to look at her butt. Fuck that shit, I'm coming from the chest with me. I'm coming from the heart. That's a fart, that's a stinky.
Oh my god, I heard you fucking stink. The girl's got a butthole, but it ain't fucking pink.
Nope.
That shit is so brown. That shit is not white. She need to bleach it every fucking other night. That's alright. Met a couple bitches at the crib that gon' holla. They ain't know I ain't even got a crib, ain't got $1. I live at the side of the street, finna skeet when we meet. Gonna pull out my meat, like that's neat.
Pull out my meat, but literally meat. Put it on the grill and say, hey, let's eat meat. Pass it to your boy's name, Simon. I start thinking about some timing. Twitch it. Shorter than a midget. Motherfucker, whatever, dog. I'm finna slay him. Finna slay him. Like Santa. I don't even care. I come through. Cats like Panthers.
Dude, he said slay him like Santa. That shit was bars.
You like that? I slay him like Santa.
If you like the video, so we know you like the video. We can keep making videos you like, and subscribe to the video if you like the video, so you can keep knowing when we make videos that you like, and they keep coming up when you like them to be there. Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
Oh! I got a jiu-jitsu class right now.
Bum 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 bum. Wednesday. Fuck.
I'm a killer fucking bitch. You know I'm gunning the gay day.
We're gonna gay day?
I didn't mean
You're
to make
gonna
it
gay
work.
day? What is gay day? What?
I think it's Mac and Cheese Thursday. If you want to show
Oh,
up.
no, I'm good on mac and cheese Thursday, I guess. Gay day.
Alright, bro, get back into it, bro.
I'm gonna do a different beat now. To me, this is the gay day beat. I have nothing wrong with gay people, but I'm not gonna rap on the gay day.